As AI continues to shape decision-making processes in business, a critical question emerges. Do we fully understand the decisions AI systems are making on our behalf? Enter Explainable AI, XAI. While AI provides valuable insights, many companies struggle with the black box nature of AI systems, where the rationale behind decisions remains hidden. Explainable AI aims to solve this by making AI's decision-making process transparent. But what impact does this really have on users? Today, we'll dive into new research that explores the influence of XAI on how people process information. This research offers essential insights for businesses looking to integrate AI tools without compromising transparency and trust. Stick around to learn how making AI more explainable can enhance your business's decision-making. These are the top 5 ideas from the paper. 1. Explainability improves how people use AI information. The research shows that explainable AI helps people understand why the AI made certain decisions. When AI explains which factors led to its recommendations, it becomes easier for users to trust the results. For businesses, this means employees can make better decisions by not only relying on AI outputs, but also understanding the reasons behind them. This can lead to more informed, confident decision-making, especially in areas like finance, marketing, or HR, where transparency is key. Additionally, by providing these explanations, AI helps users build better mental models, basically how people think about problems and solutions. When users can see why AI made a certain recommendation, they can apply that understanding to future decisions, improving their overall decision-making skills. 2. Explainable AI doesn't always lead to perfect decisions. Although explainable AI helps people understand AI better, it doesn't automatically mean they'll make perfect decisions. The study found that people can still fall back on their pre-existing biases. For instance, when AI confirms what someone already believes, they might become even more confident in their thinking, even if it's not entirely accurate. In a business setting, this can be tricky. If a team sees AI backing up a faulty assumption, they might push ahead with that strategy without rethinking it. Imagine a marketing team that's convinced a certain demographic is their best target. If the AI suggests the same thing, the team might stop exploring other, potentially better markets. That's why businesses need to be careful and ensure that employees continue to question AI insights and stay open to alternative ideas, even when AI seems to support their views. 3. Confirmation bias can affect AI's impact. One key takeaway is that people tend to trust AI more when it confirms what they already believe. This is known as confirmation bias, and it's something businesses need to be aware of. Even though explainable AI is designed to provide clarity, it can also reinforce existing ideas and make users less likely to challenge their assumptions. In business, this bias can lead to stagnation. If AI constantly reinforces current strategies, teams might miss out on innovative approaches or new opportunities. Managers need to foster a culture of critical thinking, where AI is used not just to validate decisions, but to encourage exploration and challenge existing norms. 4th, AI explanations can affect decisions beyond the immediate task. The study also discovered that AI explanations don't just impact the task at hand, they can change how people approach other decisions too. For example, if someone learns how certain factors influenced an AI's decision in one case, they might apply that same logic to a different situation, even if the two aren't directly related. This spillover effect can be beneficial, as it means AI is helping people think more broadly. For businesses, this can be both helpful and risky. On the one hand, it can lead to more consistent decision-making across different areas. On the other hand, if the AI reinforces a misunderstanding in one area, that incorrect thinking could spread into other parts of the business. That's why companies should monitor how employees are applying AI insights to ensure they're making the best decisions across the board. Interpreting AI explanations can be complex. Even though explainable AI provides transparency, it can also be difficult for some users to fully understand. The explanations AI gives might be clear, but people still need a certain level of knowledge to interpret them correctly. Without proper training, employees might misinterpret the AI's reasoning and make decisions based on faulty assumptions. This is especially true in industries where employees may not have technical backgrounds, such as retail or real estate. Businesses should make sure that their teams have the necessary skills to understand AI explanations and apply them correctly. Offering training programs or providing AI interfaces that are more user-friendly can help employees get the most out of AI without getting bogged down in the technical details. And now let's look at the 5 key lessons for you and your business you can immediately apply. 1. Train employees to understand AI explainable. AI is only useful if people know how to understand its explanations. Businesses should invest in training programs to improve AI literacy. These programs can help employees grasp the basics of AI, understand its limitations, and learn how to interpret its recommendations. By making sure employees are comfortable with AI, companies can make better use of the technology. Employees should also have opportunities to experiment with AI in low-risk situations. By using AI in a controlled environment, they can build their confidence and develop the skills to apply AI insights effectively in real-world situations. 2. Balance AI trust and critical thinking. Explainable AI can build trust in AI systems, but businesses need to ensure that employees don't blindly follow AI recommendations. Instead, employees should critically evaluate AI outputs, especially when the AI confirms their own biases. Managers can encourage this by creating a culture where employees discuss AI-driven decisions and explore whether other options might be better. This way, AI becomes a tool for generating insights, not just for confirming pre-existing beliefs. Use XAI for complex decisions explainable. AI is particularly valuable when decisions are complex or high stakes, such as in finance, healthcare, or legal sectors. By making AI's decision-making process clear, businesses can ensure that their decisions are not only accurate, but also defensible. In industries where regulatory oversight is strict, such transparency is key to avoiding legal issues and maintaining trust with stakeholders. Companies should prioritize using XAI in areas where it can provide the most value, such as in decisions that require careful explanation to clients, regulators, or internal teams. 4. Introduce AI gradually to build comfort. Rolling out explainable AI should be done gradually to help employees get comfortable with the technology. Start by using XAI in less critical areas of the business, allowing users to familiarize themselves with how it works. Once they build confidence, you can expand AI's use into more complex areas where its transparency can provide greater benefits. Gathering feedback during this process will be essential. It's important to check in with employees regularly to see if they're finding the AI's explanations helpful and making better decisions because of them. 5. Align AI with business goals. Explainable AI can do more than just clarify decisions. It can also help businesses ensure that AI insights align with their overall goals. By understanding how AI reaches its conclusions, managers can make sure the technology supports broader business objectives. Regularly reviewing AI outputs in the context of key business goals can help teams stay focused and ensure AI is driving the company in the right direction. This way, AI becomes a powerful tool for strategic planning, helping businesses stay on track and meet their targets.